Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload YouTube videos from OneDrive. So I am managing a huge YouTube channel on digital marketing, and my objective is that whenever the creators of my organizations are going to upload their videos on OneDrive folder, then automatically along with the description and the tags of the video should be uploaded on my YouTube channel. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between OneDrive, Google Sheets, in which we have the details of the SEO such as description and tags, and YouTube channel. And to build the connection between these applications, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. We will simply use Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to upload YouTube videos from OneDrive. So I run a YouTube channel focused on digital marketing. So I regularly create content that covers topics like SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, digital marketing tools, automation tools, etc. So since I frequently collaborate with video editors who upload the final versions of our tutorials and case studies to OneDrive, I wanted to streamline the process of uploading those videos to YouTube now. So over here I have created a spreadsheet. The SEO team of my organizations are going to add the descriptions and tags and other details of the videos along with the titles over here in the spreadsheet. On that title, the creators are going to create the videos and they are going to upload in a specific folder on OneDrive. As soon as the video is uploaded by the creators, then automatically my objective is that the video should be uploaded on my YouTube channel along with all these description and the tags related to that title. Okay, so how we are going to automate this entire process? For that, we'll have to set up the connection between OneDrive, Google Sheets and YouTube. And that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation software which helps us to automate the repetitive task of our business without any coding and programming skills, simply by setting up connections between our work applications. So here we are having sale on Pabbly Connect for 5% discount on Pabbly Plus yearly plan. You can go for that without missing the chance. Now, so here with the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to simply automate the entire process of uploading my videos on YouTube channel from OneDrive. Let's get started quickly. Currently, I am on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Alright, so let's get started quickly. As I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in to log into my account. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on our dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created up till now. And to save these workflows, you can also create separate folders. All right, now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. A dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Upload YouTube videos from OneDrive. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. Now over here you can see I have a list of folders which I have created for different purposes to save my different kind of automations. To save the automations which I am going to create for my YouTube channel, I have created a separate folders named as AI automations for YouTube channel. So I'm going to select that and then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a screen is open in front of us which contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows. Here we have first as trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new video will be uploaded by the creators of my organization on OneDrive, then automatically the SEO details of that video should be fetched out from my Google Sheets. And then finally the video should be uploaded on YouTube channel. So let's suppose here I'm taking the trigger as OneDrive, and I'm going to take Google Sheets and YouTube in my action steps. When we are going to build a connection between these applications, you will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the video is uploaded in the specific folder of OneDrive, then only the details of that video will be fetched out from Google Sheets, and then only it will be uploaded on YouTube channel, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application. Over here, our trigger application will be OneDrive. So let's select that Microsoft OneDrive. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So because my objective is that whenever a new file will be uploaded in a specific folder of OneDrive, then I want to capture the response. So new file will be my trigger event over here. As we have done that, now we need to build the connection between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the video will be uploaded, we can capture the response. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, you can see I'm already logged into my OneDrive account, and now I'm going to click on add new connection. Okay, in case if you already have an existing connection, just go with that. But to create a new connection, you need to click on this add new connection button, and then you have to click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our OneDrive account. So let's click on accept, as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, you can see that our authorization has become successful and the connection between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is also built successfully. Now let's move forward. First of all, to capture the response of the videos, we have to select the folder path. That what is the path of the folder in which when the video will be uploaded, you want to capture the response. So this is my folder. The name of the folder is new YouTube videos. The folder is established in my files. Okay, over here. So this is the folder path, my files and new YouTube videos. So what is given in the instructions? Let's read. It is given in the instructions that log into OneDrive, navigates to My Files from left menu, click on the folder and the subfolder to get path for the nested folders. And here, what I'm going to do, this is My Files. Here I have the folder. This is the folder I've clicked on it, which I want to connect. So this is the folder path, My Files, new YouTube videos. What we have to do, it is given that you need to replace My Files from the portion and replace the greater than sign with this slash. So we are going to do the same. This is the name of my folder, new YouTube videos. I'm going to enter it over here. And now I'm going to add a slash over here in front of this. Okay, done. As we have done that, now the event is already selected. And now we are going to click on save and send test request button to capture the response. One more thing I have to tell you before moving forward, that Microsoft OneDrive is based on 10 minutes of polling time. Polling time is the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take for capturing the new response every time. Because we have 10 minutes of polling time with Microsoft OneDrive, so when we are going to click on the save and send test request button, recently we are going to receive the response of the latest video or the last video which was uploaded on the folder of OneDrive. Okay, so to capture the new response, what we are supposed to do, we have to upload a new video over here, then we have to click on this button. Then the response of the new video will be captured. And in a similar manner, just we are setting up the connection right now, but once the connection will be completed, once the automation will be created, then whenever a new video will be uploaded on your OneDrive account, after 10 minutes, the response of that video will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to upload a new video over here quickly. So the new video is uploaded. The name of the video, the title of the video is Digital Marketing Tools. Now, as we have done that, I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. We will now click on Save and Send Test Request button. And now we are going to receive the response of this latest video which we have uploaded recently. So here we have the folder name. Then when we scroll down, here we have the name of the video, Digital Marketing Tools. All right, and here we have the downloadable link of the same. Now this means that the connection between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a new video will be uploaded on our OneDrive folder, automatically the response of that video will be captured after 10 minutes. Now our objective is that as we have received the response of this video, we want to upload the video on our YouTube channel. To upload the video, we'll have to fetch out the SEO details such as the description and tags of the same video from the spreadsheet, from the SEO spreadsheet. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to move forward towards setting up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect now. So we'll go towards our action step. We will select our action application as Google Sheets. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event as Lookup Spreadsheet V2. With the help of this event, we are going to fetch out the details of the SEO such as description and the tags of the video with the help of the title of the video. Okay, let's click on connect. Now to build the connection, you need to log into your Google Sheets and you have to click on add new connection. Let's do that. We'll click on sign in with Google. Let's select our account. And here Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google account. Our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, so I've clicked on allow and the authorization has become successful. As we have done that, now we will see that the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is also built. Let's move forward. Here we have to select the spreadsheet name. So the name of my spreadsheet is New YouTube Videos. We are going to select the same, New YouTube Videos. Alright, then here the sheet is already selected. We have to move forward towards entering the lookup value. What value you want to look upon on the spreadsheet? We have multiple details in the spreadsheet. What you want to look? So here I want to look for the title which I have received from OneDrive. So here we have the name of the video, the title of the video. So we are going to look for this title in the spreadsheet. But we do not have the titles in the spreadsheet along with this .mp4. So we'll have to remove this from the title. Every time a new video will be uploaded in the OneDrive, it will contain the extension of the file as well. So we'll have to remove the extension. We have to split the name of the title and the extension of that video. So what we are going to do, we are going to move forward. We'll click on this add action step button in between, and we are going to select text formatter as our action application now. Text formatter is an inbuilt feature of Pabbly which helps us to format the text of the workflow according to our choice. Let's select the action event as split text. We are going to split the name of the video. Let's click on connect. And now here we are going to simply enter the name. Here we have received the name of the title in the earlier response. Let's select that. We will select that from the previous response only, and we have mapped it. When we map our data like this from the previous response, it becomes dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So now whenever a new video will be uploaded on OneDrive and the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, automatically the name of the video over here in this field is going to replace. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of splitting the name of the videos and getting the details from Google Sheets. Now it is asking us a separator. What value you want to use as a separator of this text? I want to split the name of the video and I want to remove .mp4 from the video name. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this dot, the full stop given over here as a separator. Then it is asking us the segment index. What segment of this text you want? First, second, last, or all. I want the first one. I do not want this extension of the file. I only want the name. So I'm going to select first over here. Let's click on save and send test request button, and here we have the name of the video. So now we are going to quickly map the name in the lookup value because we want to look for it in the spreadsheet. Done. Then it is asking us a lookup column. The value which you want to search for is given in which column. So I'm going to search for the titles of the video, and the titles are given in this A column, title column. Okay, so I'm going to enter A as my lookup column. Then we have the end column of data. Up till which column of your spreadsheet you want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect. I want to get all these details, the title, the description, and the tags. So what we are going to do, we are going to select our end column of data as the C column because I have C as the last column of my spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I will select end column as C. Now we'll move forward. Here it is asking us lookup as date. Are you looking for the data as date? No, I am not. So I will select it as no. And here it is asking us use sheet headers as key in response. So we will select as yes. Okay, let's click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response. So here the lookup value is matched. We have the title. Then we have the row index. In which row we have these details? We have row number 3. Then we have the description and the tags. So by using these details, now we are going to upload our video on YouTube channel. So now we are going to build the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect. Let's move forward quickly. Let's click on this add action step button. Our action application over here will be YouTube. So let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. So what you want to perform? I want to upload the video on my YouTube channel. So let's select that. Upload video beta. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, you have to log into your YouTube account. Then you have to click on add new connection. You will go towards connect with YouTube. You will have to select your account. And then you have to provide the permission to your Pabbly Connect account to access your YouTube channel. So let's click on continue as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Now as we've done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect is built. Channel ID is already selected over here. So let's move forward. It is asking us the video title. What is the title of the video which you want to upload? The title I have received from Google Sheets. So I'm going to simply map that title over here. Then it is asking us that video description. So the description of the video is also received. Then here it is asking us the video URL. Now you have to enter the download URL over here which we have received from OneDrive. So let's select that over here. We have mapped the download URL. Then we are going to map the tags. Mapping is very important. As I've told you, we are going to map the data in order to automate the process. As we have mapped all these details, now with each and every new response, automatically these details are going to replace according to the details of the new video. And in this way only we are going to automate the process. Otherwise the workflow will get stuck. Okay. Now it is asking us the category ID. What kind of category are you uploading on your YouTube channel? So in order to get the list of video categories, what you have to do, you have to use one more action step in between. Let's click on this add action step button and we will select our action application as YouTube once again. Then here our action event will be list video categories. Let's click on connect. We'll go with the existing connection only. Then you have to provide the country code. Because I reside in India, so the country code will be IN. And then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we have received the categories for each kind of videos over here, which runs in India. Here we have film and animation, that is the category ID as 1. Then here we have autos and vehicles, category ID as 2. Then we have music. If you are uploading the videos related to music, then you have to use category ID as 10. In the similar manner, we have multiple. So because I am uploading the videos related to tutorials of digital marketing, education, etc. So the category ID will be 27. Instead of mapping this data, you can simply type it manually so that you can just delete this action step after use. So here, because my category ID is identified as 27, I'm going to delete this action step now because it is not required anymore. And I will simply enter the category ID as manually. Alright, then here it is asking us video visibility status, whether you want to publish the video directly or you want to make it unlist or private. Currently, I'm going to make the video private only. I'm going to just upload the video on my YouTube channel and I will keep it private. Further, finally, after reviewing, we are going to make it public. But in your case, according to you, you can do it. Then we have notify subscribers, whether you want to notify all your subscribers about the new video which you have published. Yes, I'm going to keep it as yes. Then here it is asking us whether the video is made for kids or not. I'm going to currently make it as no, because then it will be child directed. Okay, then I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and over here it is saying that the processing of the video is initiated, uploading of video is initiated. Because uploading of video takes some time. If we are uploading a long video which is more than 2 GB, so we'll have to use one more action step over here, that is to get the status of the video. And because it is going to take some time, 2 or 5 minutes, so we are going to delay the workflow for some time. Let's click on this add action step button to delay the workflow. Our action application over here will be delay. Delay is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect which helps us to delay the workflow according to our time duration, according to specific date and time or hours. Let's click on add time delay. Let's click on connect, and over here it is asking us how much delay you want to put in the workflow. We have delay for and delay until. If you want to delay your workflow for specific time, such as for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 2 days, etc., you can go for delay for option. But if you have a specific date until which you want to delay your workflow, then you have to select delay until option. I'm going to select delay for. Then here I'm going to select the delay unit. I want to delay the workflow for minutes. How many minutes you want to delay the workflow for? I'm going to select 5 over here. Okay, then we are going to click on save and send test request button. We have delayed the workflow for 5 minutes. And now after that, we are going to get the status of the video upload. So let's click on this add action step button once again. Our final action application over here will be YouTube. Our action event will be get video upload status. Let's click on connect. Let's go with existing connection only. And here it is asking us a request ID. So when we have uploaded the video, we have received a request ID which we have to map it over here to get the status. Let's click on save and send test request button. And over here we have received the response. So we have the title of the video. Then when we'll scroll down here, we have the status. That is the privacy status. So the video is private, and we can see that the final status is uploaded and it is completed. So that means the video is successfully uploaded. I'm going to take you towards my YouTube channel now. These are all the videos I have. So I'm going to refresh this page once. And you can see that yes, my video is uploaded. It is currently private. And here when we will open the video, we have the description and other details over here. This means that our connection between OneDrive, Google Sheets and YouTube is successfully made and our automation is completed. So now whenever a new video file will be uploaded in a specific folder of OneDrive, automatically the description and tags of that video will be fetched out from the Google Sheets, and then the video with all these details will finally be uploaded on our YouTube channel. After the video is uploaded and the process of the video upload is initiated, automatically after 5 minutes we will get the video complete status as well. So I hope this video is helpful for you. In this way, you can simply automate the entire repetitive task of your video uploadings on YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.